Thank you, Bruce. Well, Connecticut could play a key role in the fight against the coronavirus. Pharmaceutical giant Pfizer announced it could have a vaccine ready by the end of this year. The federal government has also agreed to buy at least 100 million doses. Channel 3's Mike Savino is live with how Pfizer got this far so quickly. Mike?
Yes, Kara, that's certainly a big question on how we got here. Of course, we kept hearing that it would take over a year before we would start to see vaccines going out. But Pfizer's doing two things to help move this along. They have a fast track approval process, and they're taking the financial risk of manufacturing some of these doses right now.
We believe that science will win.
Pharmaceutical giant Pfizer providing some hope against the coronavirus pandemic. Vice President of Drug Safety John Burkhart saying at Pfizer's Groton research site that results are promising for both a vaccine and treatment.
Pfizer is one of the lead horses in this race right now. There may be several winners. We need several winners.
Pfizer is one of several companies racing to find vaccines and treatments. Also today, an announcement of a $1.5 billion deal with the federal government for 100 million doses, with the possibility of another 500 million next year. Burkhart says early results are promising, and they're now moving to a clinical phase with the goal of testing 20,000 to 30,000 patients. Pfizer was granted a fast track, meaning they can communicate with regulators in real time. Pfizer must still show its vaccine is safe.
The short answer is we just do not compromise safety.
Pfizer will also start manufacturing the vaccines now. That means a financial risk should Pfizer hit roadblocks or fail to get approval. Early results show the vaccine would need 2 doses, given 3 weeks apart. But Burkhart says there's a lot of unanswered questions, including how long the immunity lasts and how many people would need a vaccine to reach herd immunity, a threshold where even people without the vaccine are protected.
I think we're just learning so much about this virus, so much about the infection.
Pfizer is also working on a treatment for patients infected by coronavirus. That would be available in hospitals beginning in October. While Wednesday's announcement shows progress in stopping the virus, Governor Ned Lamont says people need to remain vigilant about wearing masks and keeping social distance.
It's not the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. We still, along the way, have to make sure we're following all the protocols that make Connecticut one of the best in the country in terms of a low infection rate.
Unlike some other companies, Pfizer did not take federal funding for its research stage. They say that this gave them the independence to move more quickly and help them get here. Reporting live from the mobile newsroom, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.